Hey folks, we got the 500 on the radio. As you can see, I started cleaning up the glue and the residue from the back of the old felt, or fleece is what it's called, and we'll get it cleaned up. We cleaned up the repair a little bit there, got it knocked down, so we're getting ready for put the new cover in. I did go with black. I pre-cut a piece and kind of pre-fitted a bit. You go about 3-4 inches bigger than you need, even though you're going to stretch it. You don't end up want to run out of space, you know what I mean? So there it is. They're saying now there's clouds or rain coming. Danica's out. Castro Neves just crashed. He's out. Bourdais out. I haven't been watching it, but I've been listening to it. It's hot out here. I know the thermometer deal is in the trailer, but it's got to be 90. It's pretty good and hot. I'm running a battery test with the pump here. It's been running for almost an hour. It started at about 5 minutes to 2 my time. It's almost 10 to 3 now, so not happy. The pump is getting warm. It feels like the flow is a little slower. Yeah, yesterday that water was just flying up out of here, so I don't like it. I'm concerned that maybe this battery is not gonna do it. I'm not happy, but rather now than later, right? We got to find a battery that's going to run this pump for 2 hours without an issue, full speed. So we'll go ahead and run it down. Charging up Rich's lead acid battery for his cart. I had bad luck with those. Lost a cell during a race and overheated my water and burned up the old Vortex RVS at Grattan. So there you go. We're going to keep working on it. We're eating some Hebrew National hot dogs today. They were buy one, get one free in the store. So Sunday, church day, spending the day in the Lord, spend a day at the 500, eating some Hebrew National hot dogs. Enjoy your Memorial Day. Remember those folks who gave their lives to protect freedom and liberty. Remember, if you have lights and heat and hot water and running water and flush toilets and air conditioning and stuff, folks, you are rich. You are of the 1% of the world, believe it or not. So share the gift, share the love. Everything belongs to God. He gave it to us to share it with others. So don't be a Grinch. I love y'all. I'm praying for y'all. Godspeed, and wish me luck in this glue job because it's getting hotter out here by the minute. Love y'all. We're praying for you.